Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then we have to scroll down and find the option Version. Let's tap on it, and localize version number. It should be at the very top of the list. Now let's keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will probably ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter System and Update. Then let's open Developer Options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. If you've got it turned off, simply tap on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, and whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.